Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you this juicy turkey burger recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Don't forget to check out the Love is Fearless merch. The link will be found in the description. To 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of dried cilantro, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to form our meat patties. To a skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to add our patty. We're going to cook until brown, 4 to 5 minutes. Flip, continue to cook until no longer pink, 4 to 5 minutes more. And there you have it, a juicy turkey burger. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. See you guys next time.